Hello, my name is Paula Kurittu and I work as a doctoral student at the University of Helsinki. I graduated as a veterinarian in 2017 and I have worked at small animal clinics after that. But before graduating, I have done some voluntary work with wild animals and developed a keen interest in the concept of One Health, or the interface of human, animal and environmental health. Shortly after graduating, I began my doctoral studies at the Department of Food Hygiene and Environmental Health at our veterinary faculty at the University of Helsinki. I had been active and outspoken about my interests during my studies, and I was happy to hear a PhD position was available, focusing on research questions that I found very interesting. In my current position, I have planned and executed studies focusing on the epidemiology of bacteria resistant to antimicrobials. The world of antimicrobial resistance is very diverse, and the key elements driving the spread of resistance are a very important public health and One Health topic. During my PhD research, I have mainly focused on studying gram-negative bacteria and the spread of resistance genes via small DNA particles called plasmids. Whole genome sequencing has been a fundamental part of all my thesis studies, and it has enabled me to go very deep in my research and answer some difficult questions. For example, we have been able to identify the exact structures of plasmids that carry antimicrobial resistance genes. This typing of the plasmids and accurate detection of resistant genes helps us estimate the public health risk of our findings. As a veterinarian, I did not have much prior knowledge on bioinformatics, but answering the research questions I once answered requires some skills. For example, many tools that are used with analyzing whole genome sequence data are based on command line work. So learning some basics in a programming language is very useful in the research field. And it is even better when programming skills and the ability to think of the big picture are combined. This way, it is possible to come up with new and exciting angles to look at certain problems and decide what should be studied next to benefit the One Health research. Also, it is important to communicate with specialists working in other fields, such as biologists, lab technicians, doctors, bioinformaticians, and so on. The research in the One Health field, whether it's the study of antimicrobial resistance, infectious diseases, or metagenomic studies in wastewater, is a very interesting world and needs multidisciplinary approach. Opportunities to learn about whole genome sequencing are very valuable, and the skills learned will be beneficial in a wide array of research questions. Hopefully you will jump into the interesting world of whole genome sequencing and start your journey tackling some of the most important global health issues.